Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Cumbor 2-pack baby gate for stairs. A proud recipient of the Mom's Choice Award, designed to keep your little ones and pets safe with ease and style. This versatile gate boasts a large and wide design, standing at 30.5 inches tall and adjustable between 29.7 to 46 inches in width, making it perfect for most doorways and ideal for new parents who need to move around while holding their baby. Safety is paramount with the Cumbor gate, featuring a double-lock safety release that securely blocks curious crawlers at the top of stairs, ensuring that toddlers can't easily open it. Built with a durable steel design, this gate can withstand impacts up to 150 pounds from energetic dogs like Huskies or Alaskans, so you can rest assured it won't budge or pose a risk to your children. Installation is a breeze with its simple pressure mounting system, allowing you to set it up in just 10 minutes without any tools, and it opens freely from both sides, making it perfect for stairs, hallways, doorways, and open spaces. Whether your walls are flush or have baseboards, this gate fits seamlessly within the 29.7 to 46-inch installation distance, providing a reliable safety solution for families with both children and pets. So, if you're looking for a trusted and award-winning safety gate, the Cumbor Baby Gate is the perfect choice to enhance the safety and convenience of your home.